Welcome to Learning English with LS. My name is Iris, and this is episode 2 of learning about things around a house. I am sure a lot of you have this. It is called a refrigerator. Refrigerator is a long word, so some people call it a fridge or icebox. Fridge or icebox. When you are hungry or thirsty, you will open up the fridge. Let's see what's in the fridge. First thing is milk. Milk. You can say, I drink milk every morning. I drink milk every morning. The next thing that a lot of people have in their fridge is bread. Bread. You can say, I like eating bread. Again, I like eating bread. A lot of people, especially younger people, like this. It is ice cream. Ice cream. You can say, this is my favorite kind of ice cream. This is my favorite kind of ice cream. The expert in anything was once a beginner. It means that before you become good in anything, you have to practice and work really hard. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so whenever we post new content, you will immediately get notified. Thank you.